Hello everyone, welcome to Crisnat Developer. I am solving the question which is mentioned in the description below in C language. So let's start by including basic header file which is stdio.h. stdio.h. Okay. So I am giving the data type as void to my main function. Okay. So let's see what the question says to me. The question says that we have to find the sum of only those Fibonacci elements which are even valued, which are fully divisible by 2. And also a condition is given over here that our Fibonacci number should not exceed 4 million. Okay, so what is Fibonacci number? Our Fibonacci series defines that the upcoming element is the sum of previous two elements. Okay, so let's jump into the question. So first of all, I am initializing some variables and those are of int type. So int fibo equals to 0. I will start it from 0. So int fibo equals to 0, and then I have not a1 equals to 0, and then a2 equals to 1. Okay, what if I define a2 is also 0? If we define a2 is also 0, then my whole Fibonacci sequence will be 0 0 0 0 0, because previous two terms are a1 and a2, and the sum of 0 and 0 is 0, then the upcoming is 0. So we have to define something except 0 in both a1 and a2, and then we will write over here my sum, and we will define it also 0. Okay, so the first condition of the question is our Fibonacci number should not exceed 4 million. So we will write over here Fibo should not exceed 4 million. It means Fibo should be equal to or should be less than 4 million. Okay, so and also the basic property of Fibonacci series, we will define over here the basic property of Fibonacci series, that is the upcoming number is sum of previous two numbers. Then it will be Fibo equals to a1 plus a2. Okay, and now the second condition over here, if Fibo modulus 2 equal to 0, it means that if that element is fully divisible by 2, then what will happen? Then it will add it to my sum. Then sum equals to sum plus Fibo. Okay, and after that we will change the value of a1, a2 and Fibo, that a1 equals to a2 and my a2 equals to Fibo. Okay, and here we will write our numbers. So printf %d comma. Okay, let me add a line over here, that printf the Fibonacci sequence is okay, only this thing, and over here I should write \t. Okay, yes, here we go. And finally we will print out our output, which is our sum, the sum of even value terms which are less than 4 million. Okay, here we will write to printf the sum of the series are there is no need to write over here R, and we will write some of the series %d, and here we will write our variable, which is sum. Okay, let me run it. Okay, so here it is given the, oh wait, let me add a line over here, a new line, \n, and here let me write the, okay fine, here we go. Okay, see over here, the whole Fibonacci sequence is written over here, and the sum of even valued is written over here. So I want to print only those Fibonacci number which is divisible by 2. So for that we have to cut this line. Okay, for that we have to cut this line, and we have to paste it in the if statement. Okay, and save it, run it. Okay, so here we go. These are only those numbers which is divisible by 2, which are even number. And see this number 3524578, this is less than 4 million. After this number, whichever number is upcoming, it will be greater than 4 million. So my program says no, you are not allowed to be entered in my program, so it is discarded, and only here my program is stopped. So the sum of the series is 4613732. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.